Hello everyone, myself Aparna Bidve, maths teacher, Poddar School, Sambhajinagar. Children, when you are in market and want to buy clothes, which thing you will see first? Yes, you will see the color of that clothes, design on it, and then finalize your clothes. Children, how these designs are formed? These designs are formed by repetition of colors, shapes on it, and these designs will form. Here we can say that the designs are nothing but patterns. Let's see what are exactly patterns. Here patterns are nothing but repeatedly sequence of shapes, numbers and objects. There are many patterns around us. There are three types of pattern. First one is repetitive pattern, second one is increasing pattern, and third one is decreasing pattern. Let's see repetitive pattern. Let's see first example of repetitive pattern. Here you can see two types of balls are there, two colors of balls are there, orange and green. Here first orange ball is there, then green ball is there, then orange, then green and so on. These balls are repeated one after another and form a repetitive pattern. Such type of pattern is known as repetitive pattern. Let's see one more example of repetitive pattern. These two shapes are there, circle and triangle. First circle is there, then triangle, then circle, then triangle and so on. These shapes are formed repetitive pattern. They are come one after another repetitively and form a repetitive pattern. Children, can you give me any example of repetitive pattern? Yes. Zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is also one of the example of repetitive pattern. Let's see one more example of repetitive pattern. Here you can see this cushion cover. There are two colors, yellow and white. Yellow, then white, then yellow, then white. These colors are come one after another repetitively and form a repetitive pattern. Children, when you play chessboard, you will see these blocks are there, black, brown, black, brown. These blocks are formed a repetitive pattern. This is also the one of the example of repetitive pattern. The days of the week, months of the year, day or night, these all are the example of repetitive pattern. Now we will see next type of pattern, that is increasing pattern. We all know that small to big means increasing. Let's see one example of increasing pattern. Here you can see some stars are there. In first row there is one star. In second row there are two stars. In third row there are 3, then 4, then 5. Here stars are increased in each row by 1. So these stars are increased in each row, so it's called increasing pattern. The stars are formed increasing pattern. Let's see one more example of increasing pattern. Here you can see some bars are there. These bars are increased in length. So such a type of pattern is known as increasing pattern. Here length is increased in each bar. It will form a increasing pattern. When we add something each type, each time we will it will form a increasing pattern. Let's see what are decreasing pattern. Decreasing patterns happen when something is taken away. Each time decreasing pattern will form. Let's see one example of decreasing pattern. Here you can see some flowers are there. In first row there are 4 flowers, then 3, then 2 and then 1. Here you can see one flower is taken away each time. So it will form decreasing pattern because flowers are decreased in number each time. Okay, let's see one more example of decreasing pattern. Here you can see the circle are there. Circles are decreased in size one after another. This is also form a decreasing pattern. Here, hope that you all understood what are the patterns and its types. Children, find out 5 examples of each type of patterns, that is for your homework.